I went out this morning to Home Depot, and let me tell you, it wasn't a good time to go. When I got there and I wanted to get paneling, oh man, I just had to walk out of the store. One, didn't want to take it home when it's raining. Two, I had to go through the whole thing. I left everything the way it was there. I'm going back again. I'm going to pick out the 6 best ones and do the best job I can do with what I can get. Now, I had my lights on, engine check light on. They come on periodically. My car wouldn't get out of like 3rd gear, man. Normally it stays at 2,000 RPM when you're getting up to speed, and then they go a little higher when you go faster. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. Check down below, check everything out. I do a lot of different things. Well, you know, the name Jack of all trades is taken, and I am a how-to channel. So let's get going and get some things going. I'm just stuck with the word going today. Well, now I'm in corrected gears. I was like in a twilight zone. That's how I felt. You see a car stopping, why go fast to the end of the car? I gotta pick up some PVC pipe, 1. I have to pick up 6 paneling. I have to pick up some finishing nails. I'm gonna do with that and get my room back in order before I start to modify anything else for the laundry room. I'm parking over here next to this machine for the reason of I'm going to get squashed in. I want to be able to get my stuff on the roof. I know I'm coming out with supplies. Let's go get this wagon. Look, they closed it off for me. Six of the best pieces. PVC, tile, grout, and the tool. I'm set to go. But you can help install with me.
That's another story, okay?
Just give me the address. I'll be there in 10.
You got it. Have a good week.
You too.
Hey, you know, hey, that's how people are, man. They're super friendly. Down to that last piece, it's all I could do is laugh. Look at that shortcut. That's why my vent don't work when you hire a professional. So what I got to do now, I think I'm going to cut this right over here, and then I can make my bin. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it.